I'm going to show you what I mean. So does anybody know what Jordan means by layouts?
No.
Right, okay. Fingers. 1, 2 seconds. Balls. Right, okay, so literally, I'm going to create a page, and I'm gonna use the layouts function in Divi. Okay, so I'm just going to click Add New, and I'm going to call it the think of a page, Contact Me page. Contact Me page. Okay, I'm going to use the Divi builder here. So this is just going to load the Divi software. Now, you see this here? Everybody see this here?
Yeah.
Thanks, at least one of you listen. If I click Browse Layouts, and I want to use something, I want to start off with something. So I'm just gonna have a look in Fashion and Beauty, for example. I'm just looking, I just want to see. You can view the demos of different pages. So if I have a look at this, we've got all these about, blog, contact, gallery, portfolio, homepage. If I want to see what the contact page looks like, I can click on contact, and I can view the live demo. So if I click that, this is what the actual website is going to look like if I use this one. Okay. Don't like that one, so I'm going to have a look for something else. So I'm going to go back, and I'm going to have a look at just a simple. It's too simple. Business. Layout. So this is a copywriter. Let's have the contact page. Yeah, I like that one. So I'm going to view the live demo just to see what it looks like in reality. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so if I like this one, I'm going to use this one. To use this one, I'm just going to close this because that's a tab. I'm just going to click Use this layout. What this is going to do, it's going to go into the Divi library, and it's going to extract that layout, and it's going to put it straight in here. This is exactly the same as it was beforehand. Now, the thing is, this is what I want you to do. I want you to have a look at things and think, I like that layout. I can use that and use it. Now, obviously, you've got all the lorem, which is obviously just text filler, which you should know by now. But everything is editable. Everything is editable. You can put in, change this to whatever it is that you want. All about me. All about me. I don't like this. I don't like this font. It's not what I'm using. I could be using Archivo Black, for example. So if your brand or if your whole portfolio site's using the same font, you need to go around and change all the fonts for that. Obviously, that's a picture in there which it's not me. You could use something which you've already used or something you've already got. So there's me. Somebody just messaged me, upload it. So I'm using that. That's a bit too big. I can change the size of that. So change the sizing. I can go for height. So I'm literally just messing about with this just to quickly show you what you can do. Obviously, that's going to be me small and fat, but you get the idea. I can change. If I was going to do this properly, what I would do is I would actually 2 seconds. Hide that. I would find the actual size of the original picture, because bear in mind, this has already been created with this page in mind. So I would download this image so I can get the exact size. Then I would just use Photoshop or whatever photo editing software they like and put my own photo on there in the same size, so it's done. Get in touch section, change all that to have your own things. Your background image, now bearing in mind, this is the background image, it's changed on here. So there's the background image. I don't like that one. I'm going to use this one straight away. Nice and quick. This here, don't worry about Google Maps. If it doesn't work, you can just get rid of it if you don't want it. If you did want it, you can just put in full width code. I can go and get the map from Google's. They're from Google's. Map Google Maps. New College Durham. Here's the map of New College Durham. I can use this code to replicate the same thing which you had before. So that there's width. I'm just change that to 100% because this is just the HTML, which we have done. There you go. Oh, you're joking. And that does that. 2 seconds.